என் 100th வீடியோக்கு 13 வீடியோஸ் தான் இருக்குது. நீங்கள் இந்த சேனலில் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணலன்னு மறக்காமல் போய் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ண ஸ்னாப்ஷாட் எடுத்து சமீஸ் கிச்சன் ஃபேஸ்புக் பேஜில் போடுங்க. அப்போ தான் நீங்களும் ப்ரைஸ் வின் பண்ணலாம். Hi guys, welcome to Shami's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make potato biryani. This is a one-pot recipe that will satisfy your taste buds. Take a look at the ingredients and let's start. Boil the potatoes and cut them into cubes, and I also washed the basmati rice and also soaked them. Now let's make our biryani masala paste. Let's move this aside and let's get started. To start with our biryani masala paste, let's add oil, add onions, garlic, and green chili. Add salt so the onions cook real fast. Okay, we're done mixing it. Now let's just off it and let it cool down. Then let's grind it. All that we need for our biryani masala paste is onion, chili, and garlic. Next, cumin leaves. Next, add cloves. Add some fennel seeds. Add some kalpasi. Some curd. Add 2 spoons of curd. Grind it into a fine paste. We're done grinding it to a fine paste. Now we're going to use this for our potatoes. Add this grinded paste to the potatoes. Also add chili powder. Add turmeric. Add salt to taste. Give a good mix. Make sure all the potatoes are covered with the paste. To start off with our biryani, I'm adding ghee and oil. Add bay leaves, star anise, cinnamon stick, cardamom, cloves. Add onions. The onions are cooked now. Let's add our marinated potatoes. Well cooked, let's add water. Wait until it boils. The water is now boiling. It's time to add our basmati rice. Add salt to taste. Now close it and cook it for 1 whistle. The whole house is completely of the biryani's aroma. Now I'm gonna try it. I can feel the mint flavor in the biryani, and the potatoes are so soft. You don't even need to taste the potatoes to see. It just looks nice and soft. I wish you guys could smell the aroma in the house, but you can't. You guys also try this recipe at home. Don't forget to subscribe, Shami's Kitchen.